In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Shopify domains with ease. This simple guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can handle your domain settings confidently. Let's dive right in. To start, what you'll want to do is go to the official Shopify website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Shopify. If you already have an account, this should be a familiar step. Just log in using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Shopify dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and you can manage the various aspects of your online store from here. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, look for a section labeled Settings. This is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings section is where you can customize and control all the back-end features of your store, from payments to checkout behaviors and more. Under the Settings menu, you need to find and select the option called Domains. Clicking on Domains will take you to a page dedicated to managing the web addresses that bring customers to your online store. It's here that you can see which domains are currently connected to your Shopify account, and you have the option to purchase new ones or manage existing ones. If you need a new domain for your store, all you have to do is click on Buy New Domain. Shopify will guide you through the domain purchasing process. This is a straightforward sequence where you can search for available domains that suit your brand or business. Once you find the perfect domain, follow the prompts to purchase and add it to your store. It's a quick and easy process that makes expanding your store's online presence simple. Alternatively, if renewing an existing domain is your goal, your best bet is to reach out to Shopify support. Their support team is incredibly helpful and can assist you with any specific questions or requests you might have about your domain renewal. Simply inform them that you intend to renew your domain, and they'll walk you through the necessary steps or take care of it for you, ensuring your domain services continue without interruption. And just like that, you're done. Whether you are adding a new domain or renewing an existing one, you have successfully managed your Shopify domains. Remember, keeping your domain settings up to date ensures that your customers can reliably find and access your store online. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.